Looking to make your home more beautiful and functional? For over 40 years, S&W Kitchens has helped our clients realize their home design goals. Here's how. First, we'll pay a complimentary visit to your home to discuss ideas and requirements and to measure the space. Then, we'll discuss materials and develop budget guidelines. If you'd like to move forward, we ask for a retainer and create a preliminary design and prepare a written budget, outlining the scope of work to be performed. Our team will complete all necessary documentation in order to get the project scheduled. And once the details are agreed upon, we'll do the rest, creating, constructing, and delivering your beautiful new home. During the construction stage, we'll manage all facets of your project, communicating with you frequently to ensure you're always in the loop. When the project is complete, your project manager will conduct a final walkthrough to guarantee that the result meets our high-quality standards. Visit sndwkitchens.com to request a free consultation today.